Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we are making delicious banana bread, okay? So if you want to see how I made this, please kindly keep watching. So first we are going to be making use of 2 bananas. You can make use of many or less depending on how big you want your bread should be, okay? So after peeling my banana, I transfer it into a bowl. Then I'm going to mash it until it is very smooth. Not too smooth, okay? It can't be too smooth. Just mash until you get the perfect paste that you want. So this is what we are going to be working with. So after mashing the banana just like this, I'm going to add in some brown sugar. So all ingredients and measurements will be written in the description box, okay? So after adding the brown sugar, I went in with 1 egg. Then I'm going to whisk together. So after I'm done whisking this together, I'm going to be adding vegetable oil and milk. So I'm going to mix together. And guys, if today is your first time here, thanks for clicking to this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you all. Thank you so much guys for always supporting this channel by watching, commenting and liking the video. Thank you all so much. I really do appreciate you all, okay? So now that I'm done whisking all the wet ingredients, so I went in with a cup of flour, baking soda and a pinch of salt. So I'm going to mix together. And guys, making banana bread is super easy, very easy to put together, and it is very delicious. You can make this at home and trust me, your family, especially your kids, gonna love it, okay? So after whisking together, I'm just going to take out the whisk and I will come in with my spatula. Then I'm going to just scrape at the edge of the bowl, just as you are seeing in this video, okay? So now that I'm done, I'm going to bring out my baking pan. Then I will add in some little bit of vegetable oil. Then I'm going to rub the pan with the oil. You can use butter for this. You can also use butter to rub your pan just like this, okay? So now that I'm done rubbing the pan with oil, I'm going to transfer the batter into my baking pan. So at this point my oven is already preheated, so I'm just going to add the batter into the pan before taking it to the oven. And guys, if you are watched to this extent, thank you so much. And please don't forget to like this video, okay? Please like my video. Always like my video. It helps YouTube to push out our content. So thank you so much guys. I really do appreciate you all. So now that I'm done, transfer the batter into the pan. So we are going to be baking. I baked this for 1 hour and voila guys. Look how yummy, delicious our banana bread is looking, and it was so yummy. And guys, if you want to know if your cake or bread, banana bread is ready, is nicely baked, just chuck a stick inside, and if there is no batter sticking on the stick, you will know that your cake or banana bread is perfectly ready. So I'm just going to slice this, and look at that. Look how yummy this banana bread is looking. And guys, your family, especially your kids, they are going to love it. So if you're watching this extent, thank you so much. And what will you be eating this with, guys? I enjoy mine with a very soft drink. You can eat this with tea or coffee. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye for now. Bye.